Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Where's Thanos? Yes, the very same Thanos who snapped half the universe into oblivion in Infinity Gauntlet, and more memorably on screen in Avengers: Infinity War, is actually a member of the Eternal race.
Take our lead.
Absolutely, yes. Odin has lived many thousands of years longer than Thanos. He knows more secrets to the power of the cosmos than Thanos, and he has conquered and defeated many powerful opponents than Thanos has ever faced. Odin in his prime would have prevented Thanos from finding the Infinity Stones.
Take our lead.
Of course, the Eternals is by far our best shot at getting another appearance from the villain, and apparently, Marvel is indeed planning on bringing Thanos back not once, but twice throughout the film.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.